What happens if my wire transfer goes to the wrong account? Imagine sending money to someone and then realizing it went somewhere it shouldn't have. That's a situation no one wants to face, but it can happen with wire transfers. When you send money through a wire transfer, it moves quickly from your account to the recipient's. But sometimes, mistakes happen. Maybe you entered the wrong account number or the bank details were incorrect. The outcome depends on how fast you catch the error and what stage the transfer is in. When you initiate a wire transfer, the money doesn't go straight into the recipient's account right away. It passes through one or more intermediary banks before reaching the final destination. This process gives your bank a chance to step in if they notice something is off early on. If you realize the mistake before the transfer leaves your bank, you can usually cancel or recall the transaction. You should contact your bank immediately and give all the details like the correct account number and recipient's name. If the transfer is still in process and hasn't been credited to the recipient, your bank might be able to redirect the funds or get them back. If the transfer has already reached an intermediary bank but not yet been credited to the wrong account, your bank can request that the intermediary recall or redirect the funds. This depends on whether the intermediary bank agrees to cooperate, but sometimes it's possible. Once the funds are credited to the wrong account, things get more complicated. Your bank can't automatically reverse the transfer. Instead, they will contact the recipient's bank and ask them to reach out to the account holder. The recipient must agree to return the money. If they refuse or have already withdrawn the funds, you might need to take legal action to recover your money. If the account details you provided don't match any existing account or the account doesn't exist, the transfer could be rejected or held by the recipient's bank. In that case, your bank can usually retrieve the funds and return them to you. It's important to remember that wire transfers are designed to be fast and usually cannot be undone once the money is credited to the recipient's account. The chances of recovering funds drop significantly if the recipient is uncooperative or if too much time passes. To avoid these issues, always double-check all account information before sending a wire transfer. Make sure the account number, routing number, and recipient's name are correct. If you notice an error after sending the money, contact your bank immediately. Acting quickly can sometimes help recover the funds or prevent them from being credited to the wrong account. Your bank will guide you through the next steps and tell you what's possible based on the specific situation.